Have you ever wondered how much data your home network is actually using? With the eero app, finding out is quick and easy. Start by opening the eero app on your mobile device and then tap the Activity tab at the bottom of your screen. From the Activity tab, tap Downloaded Data to view the overall Wi-Fi data usage. You can now explore your data usage over time. Switch between day, week, or month to see trends that fit your needs. Want more detail? Tap Show Live Usage to view current Wi-Fi data usage. Use the Profiles and Devices tabs to see which users or devices are using the most data. When you're done, just tap the X in the upper left corner to go back. And that's it. Now you can easily monitor your network usage anytime with just a few clicks on the eero app. For more tips and features on the eero app, visit truvista.net or give us a call at 800-768-1212.